With or without El Nino, the National Irrigation Administration is prepared to ensure the country's food production program, especially for rice and corn, is not affected. And joining us tonight on News Live is the Administrator of the National Irrigation Administration, Engineer Claro Maranan. Good evening, sir, and welcome to News Live.
Good evening, Robert, and sa lahat po ng mga nakikinig sa ating buong kapuluan.
Sir, what is the overall strategy of your office in containing the ill effects of the El Nino?
Actually, yung po mga strategies natin is in place na po ever since nagkaroon ng El Nino. Ito po yung tinatawag nating adjustment ng cropping calendar, and we're always in touch with the Farmers and Irrigators Association para po ma-avert natin yung ating El Nino. Also, meron din po kami tinatawag na water saving technique natin, and of course the efficient water delivery and construction of lining canal, and of course the cloud seeding.
Sir, yung mga programs na ito, is this nationwide from Luzon to Mindanao?
Yes po, ito po yung nationwide program ng National Irrigation Administration.
So now, looking at Angat, Patabangan, Magat, San Roque, and Ambuclao Dam, these are sources of irrigation water. Maapekto ba to, seriously, pagdating ng El Nino?
Definitely po, lahat ng ating dams sa ating water resources sa river system ay maapektuhan po. Actually po, ngayon napipilan natin yung shortage ng ating water supply sa Angat Dam natin.
So ano yung mga programs to mitigate this?
Ayun nga pong nasabi ko na yung ating efficient water delivery, na kung saan matitipid po natin yung ating mga delivery ng tubig nationwide. Tayo naman po ay inaas nationwide yung maging epekto ng El Nino, sapagkat ito po yung na-experience natin in the past, na kung saan yung pinakang the biggest na nangyari sa irrigation is noong pong 2010, na kung saan talaga nagdetect po yung ating water resource.
So how about yung cloud seeding? Will this be done massively and on a sustained effort?
Actually po, nag-conduct na po ng cloud seeding ang Magat Dam natin, participated by DA and NIA, and also the ating power provider, yung ating SN Aboitiz, last month. And ngayon po, we are preparing for the cloud seeding in Pantabangan, together with First Gen, our provider in hydro.
Sir, kamusta naman yung communication with the farmers para maging part sila ng government strategy to prevent the effects of the El Nino?
We have a close coordination with Farmers and Irrigators Association, at ito po naman in place na nga po sa NIA, so alam na po natin ang gagawin natin sa ating mga strategies.
Sir, pag maximize sa mga irrigation dams natin in saving water, how will you manage yung mga release nito?
Meron po kaming particular assessment dito, at meron po tayo sistema na ginagawa during the delivery of ating mga patubig sa lahat ng irigasyon.
Sir, yung rescheduling ng planting season for rice and corn, is there a need for this?
In-adjust po natin sa ating rice yung, kung alam na natin yung period ng ating El Nino, na-adjust po natin yung ating cropping calendar.
So, and finally, as early as now, what other programs or projects are in the pipeline at the National Irrigation
Actually,
para ma-mitigate and ma-foresee yung parating na El Nino phenomenon?
Actually, marami pong programa ang NIA, part po namin yung sa climate change program natin, na it is in line with the Climate Change Commission and the DA's program.
Sir, any other projects that will, on the short term?
Actually, right now, we did the master plan na hindi po ito nagagawa noong una, at ito po yung nasabit natin sa DBM, sa ating DA Secretary, na kung saan makikita po yung tamang direction ng National Irrigation Administration. Meron po kami tinatawag na long-term plan na matatapos na ng 2028 natin. At meron din po tayong mga short-term plan.
And finally, sir, are we on schedule on this?
Yes, sir. But unfortunately, for our target for 2014, medyo delayed po kami, because we'll have do the irrigation development for the restoration and new development for irrigation for almost 106,000 hectares for 2014.
Okay, on that note, thank you very much for joining us here tonight at News Live. That was Engineer Claro Maranan, Administrator of the National Irrigation Administration.
Thank you,
sir.
Robert. Thank you.